Subscribe. Add 1 onion. Add 9 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon ginger. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add half glass water. Blend it. Pour oil. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Stir it. Fry it lightly. Add prepared paste. Stir it. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoon red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add to potatoes. Mix it well. Cooked it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add boiled Cholay white chickpeas. Mix it well. Add 1 glass water. Mix it. Add 3 green chilies. Cooked it for 15 minutes on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon gram masala. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Let's dish out. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it.